Good day everyone. Today I will share to you the story of a poor boy who became rich because of his skills and determination. The title of the story is, From Rags to Riches, Tony's Timeless Journey, but before we proceed, please consider subscribing our channel for future uploads. Thanks. Here we are, in the bustling city of Crescentville, where towering skyscrapers touched the sky and the streets echoed with the sounds of honking cars and chattering people, lived a young boy named Tony. He was born into a poor family, struggling to make ends meet each day. Despite the challenges, Tony's spirit remained unbroken, and he dreamed of a better life for himself and his family. From a young age, Tony displayed an extraordinary talent for fixing broken things. Whether it was a simple toy or a malfunctioning gadget, he had a natural gift for understanding how things worked and bringing them back to life. He would spend hours tinkering in the small shed behind their tiny apartment, surrounded by scraps and tools salvaged from the city's dumpsters. Tony's parents, although proud of his abilities, worried about his future. In their eyes, becoming a repairman would only keep him in the cycle of poverty. They encouraged him to focus on education, hoping he could escape their current circumstances and achieve his dreams. One day, while Tony was wandering through the city's bustling marketplace, he stumbled upon a peculiar antique shop tucked away in a narrow alley. The shop was dusty, filled with all sorts of peculiar gadgets and gizmos. At the center of the shop, there was an old man with a long, white beard named Mr. Dumont. Curiosity got the best of Tony, and he approached the old man, who had a warm smile on his face. As they started talking, Mr. Dumont quickly recognized Tony's innate talent for fixing things. He offered him an opportunity that would change his life forever. "I see great potential in you, Tony," said Mr. Dumont. "How would you like to work with me in this shop? I have a vast collection of rare and valuable items that need your magic touch to be restored to their former glory." Tony's eyes widened with excitement. He couldn't believe the opportunity that lay before him. Without a second thought, he agreed to Mr. Dumont's offer, starting his apprenticeship in the mysterious antique shop. Under Mr. Dumont's mentorship, Tony's skills flourished. He repaired ancient clocks, restored intricate jewelry, and even revived old mechanical toys. Word spread quickly about the talented young boy who could bring life back to forgotten treasures. People from all over the city started bringing their valuable possessions to the antique shop. As the shop's reputation grew, so did Tony's confidence. With the money he earned, he helped support his family, ensuring they lived more comfortably. But he also saved a portion of his earnings, determined to make his dreams of a better life come true. One day, a wealthy businessman came to the shop with a broken pocket watch that belonged to his grandfather. The businessman was amazed by Tony's skills and offered him a substantial sum of money for the repaired pocket watch. Tony politely declined the offer, realizing that the watch had a sentimental value that couldn't be measured by money alone. Impressed by Tony's honesty and humility, the businessman introduced him to other influential figures in the city. Soon, Tony's talent for restoration became sought after by the rich and famous. He started his own business, Tony's Timeless Restorations, and his name became synonymous with excellence and integrity. As years passed, Tony's wealth grew, but he never forgot his humble beginnings. He set up a foundation to support underprivileged children, providing them with education and opportunities to follow their dreams, just as Mr. Dumont had done for him. Tony's success story spread far and wide, inspiring countless others to believe in their potential and strive for a better life. He proved that with passion, hard work, and a kind heart, even a poor boy from Crescentville could become rich in more ways than one. And so, Tony's journey from rags to riches not only transformed his life, but also touched the lives of many others, leaving a lasting legacy of hope and generosity in the hearts of the people of Crescentville. Thanks for watching. I hope you like and enjoy my story. See you next story. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be invited for my next story.